Recent research reveals that DART altered the orbit and shape of the asteroid Dimorphos. On September 26, 2022, NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test DART spacecraft collided with the side of the 170-meter wide Dimorphos asteroid as part of an experiment to explore potential asteroid deflection strategies for threats to Earth. After impact, the mission scientists confirmed that the spacecraft successfully diverted the asteroid, demonstrating the effectiveness of the deflection system and providing insights into protecting our planet from cosmic threats. However, a new study conducted by a group of scientists reveals that the impact of DART not only changed Dimorphos's orbit around the asteroid Didymos, but also significantly transformed its shape. Before the event, Dimorphos was known for its approximately symmetrical shape, resembling a flattened spheroid, and took about 11 hours and 55 minutes to complete an orbit around Didymos. However, after the collision with DART, its orbit became less circular, and its shape changed to a triaxial ellipsoid, similar to an oblong watermelon, as described by Shantanu Naidu, an engineer at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory JPL. To better understand these changes, researchers used computational models and data from various sources, including images from the DART's Didymos reconnaissance and asteroid camera for optical navigation Draco, which captured crucial information moments before impact. Additionally, the Goldstone Solar System radar, located in California, and ground-based telescopes around the world provided essential data to analyze the light curve of the asteroids before and after the impact event. The models revealed that Dimorphos's orbital period shortened by 33 minutes and 15 seconds after the impact, with the asteroid now orbiting Didymos at an average distance of 1,152 meters, about 37 meters closer than before. These findings not only confirm DART's effectiveness, the prototype for planetary defense, but also provide a new understanding of the dynamics and evolution of asteroids in the solar system. With studies like this and future missions, such as the European Space Agency's Hera mission, we will continue to explore and better understand the celestial bodies surrounding us. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Your support keeps us going and helps our community grow. Subscribe now for more awesome content, and don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video.
The last 5.5 minutes of images leading up to the DART spacecraft's intentional flashes with the asteroid Dimorphos. The DART spacecraft transmitted these images from its Draco camera to Earth in real time as it approached the asteroid. This replay movie is 10 times faster than reality, except for the last 6 images, which are shown at the same speed as the spacecraft returned them. Both Didymos and its small moon Dimorphos are visible at the beginning of the film. At the end, Dimorphos fills the field of vision. The film's final image shows a chunk of Dimorphos measuring 51 feet 16 meters in diameter. The DART impact occurred during transmission of the final image to Earth, resulting in a partial image at the end of the film. Didymos is approximately 780 meters in diameter. Dimorphos is about 160 meters long.